Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss the rest part of the same unit, that is general principle of extraction and processes of isolation of elements. General principle of processes of isolation of elements. So, first of all, we should learn about the different groups of ores. Ores are classified into the four groups. First is called native ore, or native ores are found in native state or free state. Examples are Au, Ag, Pt. They may contain some earthy materials, siliceous materials associated with them, say for example sand or clay or moisture, etc. They are found in the form of big lumps, and from the big lumps it is crushed or grinded into the small pieces and then finally pulverized into the powder. And this native ore is based on the principle of density of the ores and the impurities. You know that ores are heavier and impurities are lighter. So when they are washed with water, what happens? The native ores go settle down and the impurities are flushed out with the water. Second one is the sulfurized ores. Sulfurized ores are very important, and you should learn the table given in the NCERT book. All the ores that is given in the NCERT is very, very important from board exam point of view. So you are supposed to go through the table and learn the table properly. So what is mentioned there? Galena. It is the chief ore of lead, PBS. Its formula is PBS. Zinc plate, Gadenus. Cinnabar, HGS. It is the ore of mercury. Copper pyrite. Copper is extracted chiefly from the copper pyrite. So this is. And argentite, Ag2S. It is also known as silver glass. Third group is halide group, which contains halogen. Examples are rock salt or common salt, NaCl. Then we have horn silver, AgCl. Third one is carnallite, KCl, MgCl to 6 water. And finally, but very important, is the oxidized ores. They may contain carbonate, they may contain sulfates like gypsum, limestone, calcium carbonate. These fall under this category. But most of them, which one are most important, are hematite. It is the chief ore of iron, which contains about 80%. Iron is also extracted from the magnetite Fe3O4. Bauxite, it is the chief ore of aluminium, Al2O3.2S2O. Chromite. In the later stage, in the transition metal, you will learn about the preparation and properties of K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate. And potassium dichromate is prepared from the chromite ore, whose formula is FeO or Cr2O3. And in some book, it is written as FeCrO4. So it is a double oxide of iron and chromium. And last one is the pyrolusite, MnO2. It is also very important because in transition metal we have to learn the preparation and properties of KMnO4. So KMnO4 is prepared from the pyrolusite ore, that is MnO2. So these are the four groups of ores from which the metals are extracted, and it is mentioned in our NCERT book. So dear student, please go through it and it is very important from both point of view. Next one is after we learn about the different metallurgical terms, that is what is mineral, what is slag, ore, what is slag, what is flux, what is gangue. So after that, what is the task ahead of us is the process of obtaining the ore, process of obtaining the metal from the ore, and what are the metallurgical operations. So metallurgical operations Four operations are required for the successful extraction of metal, pure metal from any ore. And what are those? First one is crushing, slash grinding of ore, slash pulverization of ore. Second one is the concentration of ore. It is also known as dressing of ore. And the process of concentration of ore or dressing of ore is known as beneficiation process. Benefaction process. Third, extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore. It is also termed as reduction of ore. Reduction of ore. In this operation, we try to remove the impurities which is found in the ore. And fourth is the refining slash purification of ore. Purification of ore. So these are the four operations that are required to be applied in order to convert the ore into the pure metal. We will learn it one by one. So please pay attention. It's a very simple unit and 3 marks question in the board examination comes every year.